Hello everyone, my name's Nicole and it's been a long time since I've uploaded a video on this channel. I just ended up stopping with YouTube videos. I have been doing other things, teaching being one of them, and so I still receive a lot of comments on all of the videos that I have kept on my channel, particularly about photo transfers. So I wanted to quickly answer these questions because I tend to get the same questions repeatedly. So I thought it would just be easier to upload one video answering all of your questions about photo transfers that you may have, so that your photo transfer process can be as easy and smooth as possible. So one of the main questions that I've received is, can I use an inkjet printer for my photo transfers? So with photo transfers, you have a piece of paper that you tend to put face down onto a gel medium, and that's how you make the photo transfer. I'm not going to go through the whole process because there are videos on my channel that show you everything, but inkjet printers versus laser jet printers actually are a big deal when it comes to photo transfers. It does make a big difference actually. So I would recommend not using an inkjet printer because it will just cause you so much grief. It did for me. And once I started using a laser printer, it was so much easier with my photo transfers. They came off a lot more smoothly. There were hardly any missing pieces, and they just worked a lot better. Which leads me to the second question: where do I go to get my photos printed? Because most of you don't have a laser printer at home. You most likely have an inkjet printer at home. Laser printers are usually printers that are like those mass printers, ones in like businesses or at schools, or at Staples. So that's where I get mine done. I go to Staples. I have a little Staples card, and you can add money onto your card and then print from their printers on your own. So I take a USB stick, and so I have all of my pictures already on my USB stick, already sized the way I want them to be, or if you don't have them sized, they will automatically go on to the paper options that they have on the Staples printer. So I click on the image once I put my USB stick in, and I print them that way. And yeah, if you have any more questions about that, please ask. Maybe I'll do a whole video on that. But yeah, so I use Staples printers. If you are at a university, most likely your university has laser printers, and most likely you actually have to pay to already have a little bit of money on your card for printing. At least at my university, I had to pay automatically for like $20 worth of printing money or something, so you could use that. Yeah, my third most common question is, what kind of paper do I use? So people have asked, do you use photo paper or do you use just regular paper? Like, can you just use photographs? Like, what do you do? You don't use photo paper or photographs. You have to have it be like normal, regular printer paper. So it's the type of ink that's important, and it's also the type of paper that's important. So in order to actually be able to like rub off the paper, you can't have photo paper because that paper just it's stuck there. It's not going to come off when you rub it. So make sure to just get normal printer paper. So again, the type of paper that's already in the Staples paper printer, the type of paper that's already in the Staples printers, right? Now I'm just getting myself confused. Anyway, hope that makes sense. The fourth question I get, and this is a very common question, a lot of you have asked me this: which medium do I use? So this is the medium that you actually stick the paper onto your wood panel. I use gel medium. I used to use what's it called? I'll just show it to you. So I have it all up here. Let's take this down, that's solvent. Okay, I used to use Mod Podge. I don't anymore because it's more expensive and I don't need it to be more expensive just for the brand name. Now I use Gel Medium. You can get it at any art supply store, and it's a lot cheaper and it works just as well, if not better. I really enjoy this. It works very well. So you can use, it's like a glue. I've never just tried basic glue. I don't think that would work very well. I think that would almost be too sticky. But yeah, try these. Okay. Question number 5, I think, right? Is, oh yeah, question number 5. Yes, wait, I'm getting confused. Had that 1, 2, 3, 4. I may have gotten the numbers mixed up. I'm sorry. The last question is why the cat? So in one of my videos, I had a cat rolling around in the middle of the video. Because why not? That's the answer. Like, why the cat? Come on, guys. Why not the cat? Unfortunately, the cat is now gone. She died a few years ago, but you know, she lives on in that video. So I get to watch that video and see my cat still. So that's why the cat. I hope this video was helpful. It was just a quick video to help with any like last minute questions when it comes to photo transfers. I'm thinking about doing an updated photo transfer video because I have kind of fine-tuned it a bit more. However, the ones that are up there I hope are helpful, and if you have any other questions, please feel free to ask. I'll see you later. Bye.